Hey guys, it's time for Funky Friday again, and today I got a beautiful lick by Derek Trucks, Without a Slide. Now this is a slow blues in the key of D, and we're starting here up on the B note at the 12th fret on the B string there, and this is right at the end of beat 4, and this is in 12/8 time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna hit the B, followed by the root, the D. After that, you are going to bend your 13th fret, your flat third, up full from the 13th to the sound of the note at the 15th fret, from the F up to the G. So you're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a little vibrato if you can. And then as you're holding that note up, you are going to then slide directly up to the 15th fret and bend that note up full. So that's a little bit of a tricky move if you're not used to that. So check this out very slowly. So without taking your finger off of that high E string, you're going to go from that full bend, slide up to the 15th fret, and then bend that up full. Again. So that'll take a little bit of practice. Do it real slowly. Then you're going to go down back to that F note at the 13th fret, hit that really quickly. Then back down to your root at the 15th fret on the B string. You can get a slight little bend to that F note if you want to. So far we have this. You're going to hold that note out there, and then you're going to slide that down to the 13th fret and then bend that up full. So you're going to have this then. And then to finish out the lick, you're just going to pull that note off down to the 10th fret on that B string, down to that A note. And here is the complete lick. Real slow. Anyways, a beautiful lick from Derek Trucks, and Without a Slide. Take care, and I'll see you next week.